Hi, this is Ethan from Cooking Engineering Equipment Company. We are the industry-leading construction machinery dealer, which has decades of expert experience. Today, we come to YUANSHAN factory to have a visit. The YUANSHAN brand series products are suitable for many different construction, such as road and transportation, cities, municipal administration, gardens, farmland, water conservancy, and agriculture. Its main product is well excavators. Now follow me, let me show you one of YUANSHAN wholesale well excavator YS775-9Y. The operating weight of this model is 6,300 kg, and it equips a 0.27 cubic meter bucket. In addition, load-sensitive variable hydraulic system with variable displacement piston pump, which increases operating efficiency by 25%. It's equipped with YUCHAI National III engine, and the diesel sensor has a protective cover, which is not easy to wear and prolongs the server's life. Now let me show you the cabin. Front and rear adjustable injection molding, instrument panel, beautiful appearance, comfortable operation. All in all, this well excavator can travel at a high speed. It can switch fuels on its own at a long distance and can quickly replace a variety of operating devices, which has the advantages of flexibility and efficiency.